Yo, gather here, gather here. Hello, guys. Hope you're well. It's been a minute. For those who don't know me, my name is Francis Tito. In case you're new here, please consider subscribing and give this video a like and leave down below a sweet comment. It has been a minute that I have not posted, that I've not checked on these YouTube streets. I'm coming today to give an update of what is going on. Thanks a lot for those who have been reaching out to know what has been the matter with me. And since I did the last video that I uploaded, unfortunately I fell ill. I've been sick for the whole of last week. That was from Monday all the way up to Friday, and then I was well. Upon recovering now on Sunday, now yesterday, I fell ill again. So it's like I've been ailing from tonsillitis, yes, tonsils, and then tonsils and a cold. I don't know whether you can hear even the way that I'm talking. I feel like I'm blocked here on my neck. Swallowing something even as simple as saliva is becoming a problem, and I think it's because of the change in weather, because the weather has changed. It has been raining, yes, and I'm also having some back pains on my neck, so yes, that is it. Even right now I feel so much pain. I took medication, over the counter drugs, because I dread hospitals, because I know I'll end up being injected and I dread injections. So I've been taking amoxil, and so the problem is that I didn't complete the dosage. Once I felt like I've taken for 2 or 3 days, and then I felt like I've been healed. Now I stopped consuming more, and then the other tonsil, I woke up with it developing some pains and swelling as well. I'm taking breakfast. It's 10 in the AM. It's 10 in the morning. Yes, I thought maybe I should make a video and update you guys, so that you don't wonder where I went, why I'm not shooting videos. So the whole of this week, probably, if I don't get healed, I'll spend it recovering and taking the dosage. I just hope that this time around I'll be healed. Yes, so that is it. But I'm just having a rough time here. I don't know whether you have ever been or experienced the same thing of tonsillitis. Yeah, it's so painful. You wouldn't wish even your enemy to undergo that pain. Yes, but for me, I grew up with this condition. It was persistent the whole time until now. I became like of age, like a teenager. That is when the those complications ceased, but I think they are back, and I just hope it's not for a long time. I hope that I'll be well. So just wish me well, wish me a quick recovery, and then I'll be back on these YouTube roads or YouTube streets. I don't know whether my voice is audible. I'm really struggling to put it out, but be sure to see you when I feel well. So have a nice time. Yeah, cheers.